This is the one for the discriminating buyers. Dramatic view of the Gulf will take your breath away and lure you out to the beachfront lanai that runs across the back of this light, bright remodeled two-halves condo. Everything was redone, down to the plumbing, wiring and mechanicals. Custom cabinetry in kitchen has 15 deep uppers with lighting. Electric strips. Quartz counters. Handcrafted Ann Sachs style backsplash. High-end stainless steel appliances incl. Induction range and wine refrigerator. Built-in hutch in dining room provides valuable storage space. Sophisticated flooring throughout, all walls freshly painted. Laundry conveniently located on the lanai.